Hello, it's a rather wet and miserable Thursday the 20th. I'm FxPlew and this is the Market Brief. Now, Andrew Bailey's been on. He thinks the world is experiencing heightened uncertainty, which could impact global growth. Against that backdrop, the UK economy is in a static state, delivering rather weak growth. Yesterday's inflation data surprised the market. The headline rate jumped to a 10-month high of 3%, and core inflation also rose by 50 basis points to 3.7%. That reduces the chances of a rate cut to help stimulate growth, and don't forget the increase to employers' national insurance is just around the corner, and that will likely add inflationary pressure. So the MPC may well sit on their hands for longer than originally planned. Of course, near zero growth and this aggressive jump in inflation rather puts the pressure on Chancellor Reeves, where she can't just blame the Tories for this one. Some major decisions lie ahead to avoid the economy slipping into stagflation. Over in the US, Powell will likely clash with Trump sooner or later. The Fed see the US with fairly solid GDP growth, and they think that looks likely to continue throughout H1. However, their fight against inflation is proving a little trickier to finish off, and the Trump tariff certainly won't help their cause. Ukraine is the latest focus for dear old Donald, though. His complete U-turn is classic Trump, unexpected, a little confusing, and really rather distracting. But he has flipped from providing military support to Ukraine to freezing them out of the peace talks, launching that extraordinary tirade against Zelensky, and accepting many of Putin's proposals for a peace deal. How much of this is a distraction from whatever Putin may have on Trump, and indeed any plans to access rare earths, minerals and oil and gas, which, as usual, underpins the conflict. But it's rather like a geologist has been into the Oval Office, because Trump has all but dropped Gaza from the agenda, and Gaza doesn't have oil. Currencies kick off this morning with sterling just shy of 126 against the dollar. We're around 120.75 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 104.30 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.